Welcome back to another episode of Beauty and the Bold. We're going to be going over soldering again, but I wanted to take a moment and thank everyone for commenting on our first soldering video about how I didn't know how to pronounce the word solder. I went my entire life pronouncing it solder. So don't worry, this time we fixed it. Enjoy. Usually we're Beauty in the Bolt, but today we're going to be Beauty in the Vault because we're going to be learning how to solder, which is the hottest engineering skill. You can pick up the people that you're attracted to at the bar with your soldering skills. All you need is solder, soldering iron, and something solder. So like a piece of wire. The first thing we're gonna learn is through-hole soldering. So I'm gonna flip on my
soldering iron.
I like to keep my
soldering iron
at 650 degrees Fahrenheit because I'm American.
Yeah, that's right. I'm American, and guess what we say here in America? America. And also solder. But I will have you know that I was raised in Boston, and at least I did not go the entire video saying soda, because that's what we would say back there. Happy April Fool's Day.